What up? What up? What up? Oh, bringing it all up. What up, Ali? Yo, what up, 420? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Man, this is just choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Good morning, Marie. What up, Glacier? Tommy? Bum? What up, Code? I mean, it's grinding up. The trend is still up. But I just got this account over the payout buffer. The buffer is 155. So I'm over the buffer, but I'm not taking a payout. That's not enough money. I want to get this to at least 800 or 1,000 up to get a payout. Oh, by the way, yo, what up, Garen? What up, Trevor? Elite approved my payout. So they approved my payout. I'm still waiting on Apex to approve my payout since November 3rd. Dude, I messaged you back and you didn't. I don't think you messaged me. I think you just liked it. I think you just liked it. Oh, you know what's funny is I didn't see that. I just got notification that you liked it. I'll handle during lunchtime, by the way. I didn't know that you actually wrote me back. What up, LaRosa? And to answer your question, sure, man. How's that sound? Sure. You know what you asked me. What up, Rhett? Whoa. I told myself last night I was just going to buy and hold long. And that was like, it was like right in here when I said I was going to do it. And I didn't. I made some money, obviously, but these two will be pro accounts tomorrow. I just flipped. I just need to do a flip day. Flip. Hi, LaRosa. What you want? You want the wave? What would have, dude? Ray, I was on in the Discord last night talking about it. I was like, this looks like it's going to keep going. My target is actually up here, by the way. I think we're going to hit this candle. So this is where the dump kind of started, or at least this dump. And I think to make it back up, we're going to hit 767. That's kind of like my final take profit. Like I would be mostly out of the position anyways, but yeah, I mean, this thing looks like it's going to go to about 760 or so. Not saying you can't pull back. Like we can obviously pull back. You know, I just think that that's where it's probably going to go. Just feels that way. I mean, this is just chopping. If you're going to short it, you want to see it close down here for a short. I don't even love it. Let's see if it goes down. They've been picking it up every single time they've been picking it up. So the fact that this time they let it go, it's interesting, but like you're really fighting the fucking trend. Let's see. Probably go down to here. What is that? 12. Stochastic pointing pretty far down. There's just no juice. No juice. Oh, yeah. It's just not a ton of juice. I think they're gonna scoop it back up. Not a ton of juice. Oh, Lupin, I gotta bring up my how to bring up my thing. Anybody in anything? Are you just holding? I mean, I imagine everybody's just kind of waiting. Yo, what up, Flip? I'm thinking about possibly doing poker again on Friday. What are your guys' thoughts on that? Not did I say Friday? I meant Thursday. I know somebody said not to do it on Thursday, but I'm fucking free on Thursday. I feel like it's going to hit this fifth. What is this? 11, 15? I will know for sure tonight, but I was thinking about it because I don't have anything to do that night. See, Stochastics made itself all the way down, and they really have not taken it down. Yo, what up, TJ? Enjoyed my weekend. I filled up a 30-yard dumpster from shit in my basement and my garage. I did physical labor all weekend. Yo, I was wondering that also, Sean. I keep forgetting to ask him. How's your daughter doing with trading? Yo, you notice how he hasn't said anything, Sean? She's crushing it with payouts, but he's like, yo, I got payouts. He's like, those payouts are mine. Dude, she was crushing it for a while. What up, Monet? Yeah, last time I heard was that he smashed that gold trade overnight. He smashed it. We know his daughter smashed it. That was a big one. I think it was almost 20 grand. Oh, this price action. Dude, that's awesome. Man, this shit's just fading. I wonder if they fade it all the way down. Like, I wonder if they fade it all the way down to open. Dude, you know what I just need to see real fast? Hold on one second. I was just making sure my thing wasn't up on the fucking screen. What up, Magic? I'm gonna take a little scalp. I'm quick $65. Quick $65. Yo, I'm just telling you what this looks like. This looks like we're going to do this, by the way. See how it's like up? I almost feel like we're going to go back and take out the opening low, if that's possible. Check the 4 hour. You know, trade back down into. I'll tell you what, though, we go under 568. I think we in some trouble here, but I thought we would eventually go to like up here is where I thought we would go to, but I think you can get a near-term pullback. Like we don't have to go straight up. I think we can come back down and then up. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be straight up. Like just watch out. You got 600. I mean, I wish I had an eval to just freaking do this with. Here we go. Hold on. Is that even where fucking VWAP is? Oh my god, VWAP's not even there. I thought VWAP was right there, to be honest with you. I hate how you have to do that with fucking. You guys scroll out all the time. Like, why can't it just calculate correctly? Anywho's. What up, AD? I mean, this is that thing. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they bounced it right here. You're at 600, right? Just pulled back 65 something points. Bounce off 89. Real quick. I didn't love it though. Like it's not something like I mean I was out in 2.5 seconds. Before you even seen it, I was out. What up, Carolina? I'm thinking about taking this long more than anything. You lost an eval today? What were you doing? What up, Paul? What'd you do? I don't understand why my VWAP on both charts is different. I have two traded. VWAP is at 49. Bro, it's different on all my fucking charts. How is that possible? I trust Tradeivate the most. Not Tradeivate. I trust TradingView the most. There you go. Dude, I just mapped this short out, by the way. I just talked about this whole short and then didn't fucking take it. I don't even know if this VWAP is correct. How's that sound? See, it's correct here. Why is it correct there and then not here? That's fucking... Needs to hold. Otherwise, we're going to go below this 525. Come on. Yo! It's so true, man. So true. I saw that video and I was like, I got to make a short out of this. I went over the whole thing on TradingView and then didn't hold it. I literally just went over this. Cow is probably the stupidest thing ever. I literally was talking about it and it just dropped. I want to see us go below and then back up. That's the move. I only went like half. I just want to see if it holds right here. By the way, this is only an eval. I wouldn't play a funded account. I'm not going to play a funded account until we take out this blue line to the downside and then come back through. That's the funded account trade for me personally. I'll take that in my TBT account too. Look at that. It's going to hit my fucking target too. Crazy. That was crazy. I think they have the meeting today, right? They're voting in a little bit. I think they're voting in a little bit. Holy shit. Come on. Come down. Drop it. Come on. Come through and then back up. Up. I was up 400 BK. Hey, 400. Oh, Ninja just screwed me. What? What happened? Yeah, Paul, the shorts are amazing. I laugh while making them, by the way. Wait, what happened, BK? Dude, hold on 1 second. This guy is here. I gotta fucking give him a check. Hold on. I'll be 10 seconds actually. I gotta figure out how much. Yo, what happened? What happened? You weren't trading and it just randomly got in? All right. Let's see what I owe this guy. Dude, something happened. I feel like you're having issues though. Like, weren't you just having issues with OneDrive and whatnot? All right, here we go. This is the money that I was talking about right here. We are sweeping the lows of the session. Come on. I'm liking this. I am liking this. Fucking awesome. Come on. Over 538. Oh my God. Come on. I'm watching. I mean, this is a pretty solid fucking. I wouldn't be surprised if they bounced it right here. I mean, I'm not just buying, but I'm just saying this over 20 would be. Dude, I'm trying to put orders in and I'm trying to move shit, and it fucking Tradeify's like laggy. I'm just watching it. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. The real move would be a close over 527 back in the orb. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But this is what I'm waiting on. Come on. Just waiting. I got some orders in. If it doesn't do it, it doesn't do it. I'll tell you what, if it breaks this to the downside, it's probably going to dump. Wow. That's why you wait for your close. See, it never closed back in. No harm, no foul. You just kind of watch it. I was putting orders up here too. They might pick it right back up, by the way. This could get picked right back up. But that's why you wait for things to confirm. You don't just jump in. You know what I'm saying? Somebody probably jumped in early. I'm going to tell you, you come back up here and then sell off, it's not going to look good. I mean, it already doesn't look great. The bounce can't get over. Yeah, you want to see this? Watch it just rip it all the way up to. Got to get back in. Got to get back over 26. London low. Just tested Asia low. I want to see it at least get back over 27 and push back to like 56. I think there's room to be. I'm going to pounce on this, I think. Glad I just did it in this eval. I have orders up there, though. Yo, I just got your message, Double O. I want to see a close over this, and I'll follow it by funded accounts. Until then, I'm just going to trade this account. Come on, get over it. What up, Black Beauty? What up, Zayback? Dude, my finger's on the fucking trigger to plow into this. If I get in, my stop's going to be whatever this candle is. So it'll be 11. Don't get me wrong, the rejection's also pretty nice. If we reject down again, I would say we're probably not going to climb back over. Oh, it's just. Oh, geez. Just toying. I mean, listen, they got the vote in a little bit. Like, you would assume that if that vote is good, all right, I'm in. I didn't go heavy. I didn't go heavy. Come on. All right, so I'm out a third, and I just moved to break even. I'm out 2/3. The rest is at break even. In my funded account. I'm out. I'm outie. That's why you got your stops in there. Listen, it can come back up, and I would be interested in playing it again. Yo, you're back? Yo, just in time. Elite Trader Funding just paid me again. I was thinking about you. They approved my payout this morning. And I was like, oh, where's Design? Where's Knob at? How was the trip? What up, Fred? Yo. Did you see a live one? I don't know where we're gonna dump to, but it doesn't. I think this turns red right here and goes down. Yo, give me 1 minute. I gotta go give somebody this check. Hold on 1 second. I almost want to fucking short this, but I'm not. Hold on 1 second. I'm back. Woo! I like Costa Rica. We did a Costa Rican trip. Yeah, we did a Costa Rican trip a while ago when I first met my wife. You need $150? Oh, that's easy. So easy. Just go 10 minis. All you need is like four ticks, right? How hard is 4 ticks, Corey? 4 ticks, 10 minis. And you got it. You're there. You are in the promised land after that. Yo. This thing looks like we're. The sad part was I mapped out this whole short when we were up here and then didn't take it. I took it for like peanuts. You got to do what I do. I buy, sell really fast. I did it on the stream on Friday. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah, you got to go real quick. Just boom, 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 and it'll work itself out. It will definitely work itself out, Mulatto. Oh, yeah. Man, is this thing going to finally get over? Or just another rejection? Rejected. Look at that. Nasty. That's nasty. Definitely somebody just got long right there. And now they're like, no! Oh, thanks, Fred. Give me three TPT funded accounts. I am excited because it kind of allows me to now not play so tight. Right now, I was just, make 150, $200 and just take it out every day. But now I could play looser here. I can play loosey-goosey now. Man, I'm just going to get one. That just fucking happened. Bro, I there's something wrong with my mouse on my laptop, by the way. There you go, Knob. Yo, how was trading over there with the internet? I guess they have decent internet, right? Were you living the laptop lifestyle like they do in the sales videos? Were you on the beach with your laptop open, making trades? Design was not off the grid. Bang. This thing just looks awful. Either make a move up or just fucking give it up and go down to 400. I need $180 to take out a payout from Wealth Charts. Yo, were you what town did you stay in, Knob? I think is that by and even by the volcano? I stayed at both. I did the volcano side, and then I did the beach side. I had to drive 4 hours across Costa Rica. Bro, can they just drop this thing to at least 68? I might scalp this short if they go to drop this like under here. I might scalp it short in my wealth charts. It needs to get under 82. Come on, dump it. Just fucking put in a big ass fucking red candle down. Nope, gonna fuck. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. I got my order in and everything. Here, I'll put it right here so you see it. This is what it looks like. It's probably not going to happen. Canceling all my orders. Yeah, I did the hot springs. The hot springs were by the volcano. That's where I did my hot springs, at least. Watch this. This is going to be a nasty fucking candle. Dude, I'm going for the short. I didn't get tagged in yet. I'm waiting to get tagged in. This looks like it just wants to clear out, come down. It almost looks like it wants to target London low. What is that, 458? $458 is London low. Leaf blower guy is here. Dude, did you know how many leaves are down in fucking New York, man? There's so many leaves. Dude. I just got stopped out. I probably won't play anything more around here anymore. To be honest. It's just going back and forth. So to be honest with you, I just stop. You know what I mean? You don't just keep playing. That to me would have been the drop. And if it ends up dropping, I'll maybe revisit it. But I don't like that we keep going above and below 500. Like, get below and stay below and drop to London lows, or don't. But 58 is London lows, which would be a nice spot to sweep. My God, my fucking ATM is off. Cool. Last shot. They have the meeting coming up that they're going to be voting on. And I'm curious if they run it into that because seem like they're not dropping it below here. So they have the meeting at. Why do they not have it on fucking Financial Juice? Yo, what time is that thing at tonight? Somebody said the meeting was on. Oh, it's going on already? Fuck. That's why we're just chopping? We're going to run into the close of the meeting? I don't want to get wicked out because I feel I'll be willing to stop out there. Bro, that's so fucking. I'm out. I'm out on playing this bullshit. It needs to go below 58 for me to get in. Below 58 or a close above this. I want to close inside this. Yeah, I'm just going to wait. $58 is London low. So just in case the Senate votes, not in case the vote comes through and it's fucking like mass, like we just all of a sudden we just pop. Say we just pop, like, I don't know, fucking a gazillion. Like, say we just pop 100 points, with a flash. I'm just going to put some buys right here. How's that sound? Does that sound crazy? Because say all of a sudden it just shoots up and we get a news candle. I'm not going to have time to get in. But if I have my orders in, I will get filled. That's a just in case. Holy shit. I feel like it's too close to London lows to not get it. I'm not playing it, but I'd like to see you give it up. Got 30 points. I used to have that on my chart for a while, Fred. Just fucking let it go, man. Yeah, it's like 460, 458. It's going to break under this low at 71 and like flash down. There you go. Just took London lows. Now watch. Now they're going to push it up. You had to know that they were going to do it, though. Like, I would like to go lower. I'd like to go lower and then come back up. Being that they just brought it right back up kind of sucks. Past the core. It was a solid move. It was quick. You had to be fast. Got to have them fast fingers. fucking phone won't stop ringing. Yeah, I mean, it could go to previous day high. It could definitely go to previous day high. Previous day high, though, is all the way down to 355. Yo, the craziest part is I thought it would bring my drawing back. I literally mapped this shit out when we were up here. That we'd come. Actually, I thought we were going to come down and then back up through. And it came back up and stopped. That was the only part that didn't happen. I really thought we were going to come back up. Oh, man. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I got over the buffer on this account for a payout. Got this account approved for a payout, and now this one is over the buffer. But I'm gonna wait till I build it up a little bit to take money. Yeah, I don't know. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be interesting now that non-farm payroll is back and CPI is back. Yo, they should announce non-farm payroll and CPI right after Black Friday, so all the prop firms have deals, so you could pass them all in one day. That shit would be wild. It'd be the Monday right after freaking Thanksgiving, just to go all in. This is just gonna dump. I'm gonna grab 5 micros, and I think I'm gonna stop out at 490. I'm just waiting for it to come up a little bit. Maybe I get stopped out. Maybe I don't. It's just fucking trending down all day. Since we basically opened, since 9:45, 10 o'clock? I know. Believe me. I know, Ange. It just seems like there's no buying. That's how I feel. It feels like every buy is hit with down pressure on it. So last Friday was 40% off and then you got your money back when you got a payout. No activation fee. I mean, that's a great deal. I wonder if they go to 50% off, no activation fee. I don't know. They've never done a better deal than 40 no activation fee. So it's going to be interesting. Nope. I should just fucking stay out, to be honest. This is what I look for entries, and we've had fucking like none. I mean, we took London lows out. I mean, do you trust this? I don't fucking know. Oh, man. Michael Burry is going to come out with a detailed report on November 25th about how Oracle and Meta will overstate earnings. Interesting. Yeah, watch. All of a sudden, watch me come down. It's just chopping. Honestly, the easiest account to get a payout in is my funded futures. I find funded next is just too expensive to me personally. It just doesn't make sense. I'll go to it right now. Look at that. Stop me out and then dump it. Like Rapid Challenge is $150. Are they running some crazy? They just seem expensive. And it's the same shit. And there's a consistency rule, 40%. Man, this looks so shitty. I mean, there's not much I could say. It looks shitty to the downside, but yet they have the vote going on. Like, you know, I probably wouldn't do one thing or the other right now. You're definitely just chopping back and forth. Every pop has been met with a sell. Yeah. TPT has the, was it 1500 profit with 1500 stop daily loss account loss limit. I want to see this either go above. I'm not copy trading this. I'm not doing anything. It's just, it seems like we can't get back above 25,000. My pure thesis is we can't get above 25,000 and 25,500, and we've been selling off, and it looks like it needs like a drop to come back up. I would not follow this. This is not a great trade. Yeah. Watch them stop me out right now. You're down $26. I think I just think they're expensive, and there's a lot of not great stuff out there because they're from the what do you call it side, the forex side. Yeah, I haven't traded a lot of accounts today, pretty much because price action has sucked. I'm just willing to take a dude. I'm getting all these ping things. Just completely broke it. I'm out on that. What's not muted? Somebody's fucking Discord server is not muted that I'm in. Yeah, I'm not saying. Listen, it might be fine. That was it. There's so many options out there. So many options. I think I fixed that. Well, I'm not doing shit now. I'm just gonna sit here and fucking wait. Just sit here and wait. Don't get me wrong. I like that we're back over 20. Unless we can actually close back up in here, I'm not going to do anything. So I just put a fucking... I just put an order up there. The fuck? Just placing orders where I'd like to get in. Probably over 36. Probably going to reject a little bit and calm down, consolidate, and then pop. Hey, man, I hope you took it and made money, man. John, it's part of the game. You think that's going to be my only loss? I mean, you only win like 60, you know. Some people lose 70% of their trades and make money. Like, you're going to lose. If you can't handle a loss, then this is not the spot you should be in. Yeah, then that's where you should stick at. You should stick at what's good for you, without a doubt. See, we rejected right there. All right. I fucking took this. What the fuck? Dude, I think my trade evade is... Look. Look at my trade evade. Look, it just got me in now. Bro, are you kidding me? Look, it won't move my orders. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, it just got me in another one. Yo, it just got me in another fucking order. What the absolute fuck is going on? What in the absolute fuck is going on with this? I tried to buy 3 micros just to like let it move around. I tried to buy 3 micros to let it move around, and now I'm in 9. I should have just waited for when we closed in here. Like I said, that was the original plan. Just not following my fucking plan. Doing the stupid shit. Like, just not following my fucking thing. I just got out of some on this fucking computer. I'm completely out on my laptop. I'm completely out. Minus 1,500 or plus? That was... Would you short it or go long? I don't know what you did. Would you try shorting the top? Man, that was a good fucking trade. Good morning, Mick. I mean, watch it go all the way up to 636. If they consolidate this over here for a little bit, I'm going to take it and target all the way up here. That's the move. I want to see it come down here. I'm just seeing which ones I got to play. London Haas. Boom, boom. Man, I just can't believe I fucking did that. Well, at least you made some money, AD. I'll make it back. I'll make it back. I want to see them consolidate it for a little bit. It happens. Got to risk it for the biscuit, Fred. Got to risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, I feel you, Knob. I do shit like that all the time. This is what I'm looking for. Us to consolidate right here and then push higher. I got to go eat something because I'm fucking starving. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. I am going to be back at 2 o'clock or 2:15. I'm going to set up another Twitter giveaway this week, by the way. And we might do poker on Thursday for everybody that is in here. We might do poker on Thursday again. And I'm going to set up the Twitter shit, or X, I should say, X, during lunch. I'm going to go hang out in the Discord while I eat I just, I got to get up. I got to eat. I got to go outside for 5 minutes, so I don't want to stay on the stream. But I will see you guys around 2:15. Good night, AD. Night, night, night. Sleep tight. All right, I'm out. Peace.